Hi guys, James here on Shelling Out. In this video, it's going to be basically a compilation of everything I've done since the boat's been in dry dock. I haven't recorded a lot of stuff at all since I've been over there. It's really busy, there's other people out with their boats, there's grinders going all the time, you can't hear nothing. But so far, we've lifted the engine out, we've blacked all the boat in 2-pack, both coats, new anodes. Finished off with painting the gunnels. What else have we done? We've done a lot of stuff. It's been never ending. It's just mainly been grinding back and prepping stuff, but the engine's out, all the electrics are out, the clarifier's out. So this week me and my dad we're on the final week and we're going to try and get the engine up and running, the one that came out of it. If it doesn't go, we've got plans to put a beta 38 in it, so either way we should have within the next month an engine, so it's moving on its own, but stay tuned. So I've been cleaning out the gas locker so far. Them 3 bags are just out of here, but look at the state of this. It needs a new base putting in from about there up there, because that's good steel there. I've been hitting that with a lump hammer and nothing's shifted, so we'll be making a plate that goes across there and then weld down at the back there to fill that, and then that should sort the gas locker. So this is the bottom of this gas locker that I've just cut out. I'm going to neaten all the edges up and get it all cleaned, but yeah, that's the part that needs replacing. So I'm just currently fabricating up the steel plate from the bottom of the gas locker. So my dad's come up and currently helping me grind all the boat back, which I'll flip round now and show you. So that's had the brush killer applied, and we've done a test sample of the 2-pack over here. It's a bit dusty because I've been sanding this morning, but we'll obviously wash it all off before we put any 2-pack on there. Today's progress: clarifier out, batteries out, exhaust disconnected, swim cleaned up, all the rubbish out of here, prop shaft disconnected, gearbox cable disconnected. I've got to Dremel out them brass screws because they've stuck in, and then I've got the throttle cable left to disconnect down here, and the diesel lines once I've checked that the tank's empty. But yeah, so far so good. The exhaust's now removed, everything disconnected from the engine, diesel lines. I've got one cable left to take off, And I'm going to get this battery box out and get ready to lift the engine out now. Been hammering and banging this to loosen up all the loose rust, and then gathering it all up. This will all be rust treated. Still got a lot to do. Where I'm at now, I've cut 2 of these channels out so far and then use a pack of discs, but it's going to be worth it, and that engine is going to be lifted out in a couple of days time.
Can you read it? Can you read the line?
What are you doing, Dad?
Mate, I clean all the rubbish off the aluminium where we put it into the boat.
Was there much on it?
Loads of it. But now the window's looking quite good actually.
Try and get. The lighting's not very good in here. You can see how they are. That's one side fitted and it's all watertight.